Hey guys, welcome to WordPress tips and tricks. In today's video, we will show you how you can very easily and quickly give your website a boost by optimizing all images with WebP formatting. Let's get started. First, we are going to import a ready template from Elementor Pro to use it as our landing page. Let's select a media-heavy page for this. And we are using Elementor containers instead of columns and sections. This landing page has several full-width images, and those should have better weight versus resolution. Now let's update the page and view it on a new tab. Now we are going to copy the page link and run it through BdThemes for page performance data. All right, we have our stats. As you can see, our page scores 78% for performance and 95% for structure. The total loading time is 4.5 seconds. Scrolling down below, we can see that the total image size on the page is about 1.16 megabytes out of 1.83 megabytes. There are also stats for total page requests, where images are generating 13% of the requests. This is the regular case. Now, let's change the stats without doing something overwhelming. Going back to our landing page, let's open a new tab and go into Squoosh Dap website. This is a very handy website that lets you compress images in many different formats, and this is very easy to use. Now, let's go into the site media library to download the images within our landing page. So, let's download them all. All downloaded, now go back to Squoosh Dap website. Now, insert an image, and from the Compress menu, choose WebP format. Notice that the image size dramatically went from 244 kilobytes to only 43.7 kilobytes. An 82% reduction in image size, but the resolution did not lose quality. Then click the Quick Download button to save this image, and continue the same process for the rest. Here, you can try to calibrate the settings for more precise optimizations, but the default setting also works well. Once all the images have been converted, let's go back to our landing page editor and start replacing the images with converted WebP images. When you are done, update the page and then reload the page view. Then copy the link and run it again on BdThemes. This time, we are already seeing a loading time reduction of 0.3 seconds. And the total page size went down from 1.83 megabytes to only 936 kilobytes. Also, now the images only consume 245 kilobytes of space. Just by compressing the images, we saved almost 1 megabyte of page size and gave our page a little boost at zero cost. With WebP image compression, we didn't need to lose any noticeable image quality and pretty much saved it all. Of course, there is room for other improvements, like optimizing the JS scripts, reducing page requests, etc. We will cover those in another video. So, how did you like this little trick to boost your web page? That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel to get more tips and tricks videos. See you soon.